Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you. We'll be walking through the step-by-step process of installing Kali Linux on a virtual machine. Kali Linux is a powerful penetration testing and ethical hacking distribution, and running it in a virtual environment allows you to explore its capabilities without affecting your main operating system. So let's get started. So let's download the ISO file. Download, install our images, 64-bit. Let's download this. Well, you can download it with your torrent client. I already have downloaded. Okay, we're good to go. Let's open the VirtualBox. Click the new button to create a new virtual machine. Kali Linux. Okay, Linux. I'm going to select Debian 64-bit. Next, RAM. Well, for 8, 2 gigabytes of RAM. Next, create DVI, dynamically allocated. Well, I'm going to use 20 gigabytes of storage. Create bidirectional. Okay, to processor. Video memory, I'm gonna make it full. Let's select the ISO file, not Ubuntu. Kali Linux. Okay, we're ready to go. Let's start. Graphical install. Of course, English, United States, American English. Okay, we're going with the desktop environment. I don't need XFC. Well, okay, you can choose XFC or GNOME. I'm using XFC. Yes, load the grab bootloader. Okay, continue. We are in, but the resolution is bad. Let's fix it. Yeah, this is good. So what do we have? Okay, we don't have Neofetch. Let's install it. Yes. Kernel 6.1.0. Okay. Stay tuned for the next video, where we will dive into the essential steps to take after completing a fresh installation of Kali Linux. We will cover post-installation configurations, important updates and must-have tools, and more. Make sure not to miss it.